It's warming up and I know my wife's gonna wanna get out and ride soon. So let's carpet bond the Z900 with some parts I've been hoarding over the winter. Z900 SE had some weird little aluminum fender here. It was kind of a brush texture. It had the Z logo there. I really hated the way it looked. I think ultimately it really needs to be kind of the body color, just match one of the fenders or the gas tank and have a smooth panel. I tried various different things. I tried different types of carbon fiber wrap. I tried one that was glossy. I tried one that was matte. I still don't think that's the answer. I think it needs to be body colored, but as an interim step, I've got a carbon fiber plastic piece that you can just get on Amazon for pretty cheap. So my thought is put it on there, see how it looks. If I ultimately don't like it, then I've got a nice flat piece of plastic that I can have paint matched to the rest of the bike. I think it'll be a win either way. I really need to find a tank pad that I like the look of because this tank gets fingerprints all over it and I'm starting to scratch it up with my gear. I haven't found something that I didn't think looked stupid though, but I did find these pads for the side that actually look pretty decent. I think they'll get rid of some of the black on the bike and kind of bring it all together a little bit more. For the back of the bike, I've got a tail tighty to get rid of this god-awful thing. Yeah, that looks better.